it's Taylor. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Amy of Golden, Colorado. We have been insured with the same insurance company for 15 years and never filed a single claim or complaint. We had hail damage in our neighborhood, and it actually knocked off many shingles and tore a hole in the shingle, I'm assuming, which we paid a contractor to temporarily cover. We hired a roofing company to give us an estimate to fix the damage, and it came out to about $26,000, essentially a new roof. We were not expecting the insurance company to pay for a whole new roof because it probably is about 10 years old, but the settlement was a big fat zero. What were we paying for all these years? Such a scam. I hope the other insurance companies are better, because that is why we switched after this experience. So a couple things. One, if you have hail damage all over your roof and like repairs aren't possible, you should get a new roof, even if it's 2 years old, even if it's a year old, even if you just got it installed 6 months prior. I'm working with a client who has a very incredible home that has a tile roof, and he had that tile roof on for about 13 months from the previous storm to the new storm. That's why you have insurance, okay? So ultimately, no matter how old the roof is, if there's damage to the roof that is covered under your policy, then it should be paid for by your insurance company. Novel idea, right? So ultimately, this is what I want to let you know is, if you have damage to your property that is covered under your policy, the insurance company should fully and fairly pay the claim. Fully meaning give you all the money that is required to get to pre-loss condition up to the policy limits, okay? And fairly, without having to push and shove and pull and do all the things that they're going to try to require you to do to get your claim paid. Why? Right? Is that a requirement in the policy? Well, we want you to go down to the DMV and stand there for 6 hours and get your picture taken, but we want you to do it from the right side instead of the left side. Okay, we get some crazy requests, and you know what I say to the adjuster? Could you please show me in the policy where that is a requirement for the insured to receive their benefits? Guess what I hear? That's right. They rarely ever say anything to that, because that's not a requirement in the policy. So make sure, if the insurance company is not fully and fairly paying your claim, you contact us today. Contact us as soon as possible, because the sooner you do, the more options you have. bellatorclaims.com. Contact us today.